Hey everyone, and welcome back to another one of my shower routines. Today we're going to be doing an exhilarating, invigorating, and energizing shower routine that's really going to wake you up in the morning. So all of these products have a really bright and uplifting feel to them, so they're definitely going to help you to get started and feel woke, and they feel so good on the skin. I love all of these products, and you guys are going to get to see me use them in action. So if you're ready to see my shower routine, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, and welcome to my shower. So I'm just gonna jump right into it, and I'm gonna start to just rinse my body off. I love having a detachable shower head. If you haven't invested in one of these shower heads, then you definitely need to. It's nice to not just rinse your body off, but it also feels really good, especially when you can change the different speeds and the different functions on the shower head. So it just feels really good. So starting off, I'm gonna be using the Dove Purifying Detox Bar Soap, and I'm first gonna use this to wash my hands, but later on I'm going to use it to clean my entire body. And I love how this smells. It has this med spa cooling smell to it. It's so good, you guys. And my camera did start to fog up right here, but that just makes it more of an in-shower experience, right? So I rinsed my face, and I'm going to start with the Fourth Ray Beauty AM to PM Gel Cleanser. I love to use a gel cleanser on my face, like the entirety of my face, my ears, my neck, behind my ears. It really just suds up and lathers up really well and gets my skin feeling squeaky clean without drying it out. Okay, so then I'm gonna rinse that off. The rinsing part is actually the best part for me. I love to rinse myself off. Now I'm going in with the Tree Hut Vitamin C Shea Sugar Scrub and my little Eco Tools exfoliating gloves. Love the way that this vitamin C scrub smells as well. It has a bright uplifting scent, just like all of the products in this routine. They smell very like just fresh, citrusy, makes you wake up in the morning. So I'm using that scrub and that glove to apply this all over my body. And I'm going to switch off hands too to get the other side of my body as well. But for right now, I'm just focusing on one side of my body. And I love to focus on my legs. Even though I don't shave my legs because I really don't grow hair on my legs, I love to focus my exfoliating products on my legs. They pretty much are the softest part of my body. And you can't forget the feet. You definitely have to exfoliate your feet, the bottoms, the top, the toes, everything. Like exfoliate everywhere. I'm getting my calves, under my thighs, definitely on the inside of your thighs too. Don't forget that area. So here I am taking that Dove Purifying Detox Bar Soap, and I'm using that to lather up my entire body. And I'm using my textured rag for this because it just makes me feel super squeaky clean. But again, it's that type of clean where my skin isn't stripped. It just feels clean. And that's what I love about the Dove products. So I'm going to make sure to get my back everywhere. Again, with the legs, I like to use my textured rag on my legs to do a bit more exfoliating when I have my bar soap and I'm using my bar soap. And then we're gonna rinse again. Like I said, the rinsing part just feels so good to me. So moving on, I'm going to be using the Suave Essentials Mango Mandarin Shower Gel. Y'all, this smells amazing. It lathers amazing. I mean, like, look at all of those suds. The Suave body products are so good. If you guys didn't see my video, I kind of really just like discovered them for real, and I was asleep. Okay, I was asleep on these scrubs because they really lather a lot, and I'm just doing a little jig in the shower. Y'all, don't be like me. Don't slip down in the tub because you in there dancing. Okay, I didn't slip in this video, but it's happened before. So don't be like me. And that's me just letting y'all know that the Suave Mango Mandarin body wash is A1. And I'm just rinsing off my rag because, like I said, it had a lot of lather. Okay, it smelled up the entire shower all the way out into my room. So now I'm going in with more body wash. Y'all know I like to rinse and re-rinse and rewash and all of that. So I'm using the Bath & Body Works Sunshine Mimosa Moisturizing Body Wash, as well as their Raspberry Tangerine Shower Gel. I just mix those two together on my soft baby rag. And again, look at all this lather. All that lather. I'm getting like super clean, okay? And I'm just gonna feel so refreshed and energized when I get out of my shower. Again, just making sure to clean my back and everywhere. And y'all know I like to take a lot of shower gel, so that could also be part of the reason why I'm lathering up a lot. The last order of business is to take my Honey Pot Feminine Wash, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done in the shower. So now I'm using the Body Shop Hemp Nourishing and Protecting Dry Body Oil mixed in with my Raspberry Tangerine body cream. And I like to mix it in because I feel like it helps me to use less of the Raspberry Tangerine body cream. Like I literally just spray it in my hands. You guys are going to see how much I take exactly. But this gives my skin such a nice glow, such a shine. It really does moisturize. You guys are going to see it gives my skin the best glow ever. And like I said, it helps me to use less body cream, especially because it's the summertime. But look at that glow. Do y'all not see that? My skin looks good, okay? So smooth, so soft. And then I'm going in immediately with my Raspberry Tangerine body spray from Bath & Body Works, and I'm spraying it everywhere, all over my body, even my back. I'm making sure to get everywhere, and I pretty much double spray, okay? Now I'm using my Native Sea Salt and Cedar deodorant. I love this deodorant because it smells like a men's deodorant. And then I'm using my Colgate Max Fresh Breath Strips Whitening Toothpaste to brush my teeth. And last, I'm using the Lume Deodorant in Juniper Berry to go ahead and put in my private areas and on my backside because it is the summertime and I don't want to sweat. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it for my actual shower routine. The only thing that I'm gonna do after I finish like putting on my makeup and everything is spraying on my actual perfume for today. And today I'm gonna be using the Sunset Fantasy by Britney Spears. This smells amazing with the raspberry tangerine, okay? Just with the whole citrus, tangerine, mandarin orange, fruity vibe that I had going on in the shower. This smells amazing with all of that. So this is gonna be what I'm gonna top off my body care routine with. But I wanted to quickly show you guys how I go ahead and wake up my scalp and exhilarate my scalp, because while I have these braids in, I honestly want to refresh my scalp every day. I love to use peppermint oil on my scalp. If you've never used peppermint oil on your scalp, you are missing out. It literally wakes up your hair follicles. You can feel the cooling, tingling sensation on your scalp, and it just feels so good. So I like to go in with this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. As you guys can see, it's almost gone, but basically I like to just spray the entirety of my scalp, and I'll even spray down my braids where my actual hair stops, and then I'll just go down the actual parts of my braids and just kind of like, you know, push that into my scalp. Then the next product I'm going to take, this is the Curls Blueberry and Mint Tea Hair Growth and Scalp Treatment. This is just an overall really good combination of oils. So this has certified organic corn mint, blueberry seed, and coconut oil, and it soothes and refreshes dry, itchy scalp, prevents breakage, and relieves itching. So this definitely gives that nice cooling, tingling sensation to my scalp, and it comes with a dropper, so it's really convenient. This is what it looks like, and I literally just run that down the length of my braids, and then again I go over it with my finger just to further push it into my scalp and get that sensation that feels so good. I like to focus it on the nape of my neck as well, and it feels so amazingly good, especially right out of the shower when, you know, your pores are already pretty much open, y'all. But that is the end of this shower routine. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this energizing, invigorating, and exhilarating shower routine. If you did, you already know, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed it. If you're new, you should definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Fragrance and Beauty Army, as well as that bell notification so that you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.